guys, Phil here with another unboxing. This time around we've got the HG Gundam Exia Repair 2 kit. This is a 2009 release from Bandai. As usual, on the front cover it's got the nice illustration. Alright, down on this side, in this corner here, it's got some nice close-ups of parts. Also shows you the GN drive. It's got the GN sword. Shows you some movable parts, and also the mode change. And over here in this corner here, it's just got a nice picture of the pose that you can achieve with this kit. On this side here, it's just got the nice bust pose. It's box number 44. Alright, on this side, in this corner here, it's just got some information relating to the actual mobile suit. Obviously in Japanese, sorry I won't be able to translate for you that. Here it's got some info also and nice illustration of the anime, and in the bottom corner here it shows you also the recommended retail price in yen, which is 1200. Alright, here we've got the first bag. This bag consists of two runners, the decals. Now these runners are the multicolour. And the second and last bag, only two bags in this kit. Also got two runners and a small one of the polycaps. Okay, here we've got the decals. These are in sticker form. We've got the polycaps. We've got multicolour runner A, got nice blue, got the yellow, red and some clear parts. And runner B, it's all the armour, bit of the sword, we've got leg parts. Now looking at these pieces, the detail on them is quite nice. You can actually go crazy with panel lining. That's a nice touch for a HG kit. And runner C, we've got the GN sword, some inner frame, got the hands. Runner E, this is a multicolour runner, got some more of the inner frame, some more of the armour, blue parts, got the blade for the GN sword. Okay, and for the manual, got a nice illustration on the front page of the Gundam Exia. Also got some info about the pilots at SEIRES. Now, to turn the page, top here it's got the info on the GN sword and also in mode change. Got nice front and back poses, and also some info of the second season of Gundam 00. Got some anime pics, the GN Vulcan, as well as some different positions, and also got some smaller pictures of the GN drive. At the bottom we've got the colour chart. That's if you wanted to paint it and you wanted to know what colours are the recommended ones, just look it up here. Now, on this page here, it's got all the runners. And as you can see, there's quite a few X's, so you will have some parts left over. And we've got, as usual, the build guide. They are in Japanese, but one good thing with Bandai, they're pretty good with the illustrations, so it'd be straight up on build. And got some more pictures here of the final build, and it shows you some of the movable parts. Okay guys, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up if you did, thumbs down if you didn't. Please subscribe, hit that bell also to have a look at upcoming videos that I do. If there's any unboxes that you do wish to see, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get that kit and do an unboxing for you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.